Now, where are you? Oh, you're there. I'm looking for you.
Thank you, Daddy.
Oh, you're welcome. You're welcome.
How about you, Lina? Ay, mga kachikan doon yung dalawa. Sana, Alina, where are you? Oh, you're there. I'm looking for you. Doon naman yung isa, busy. Dito tayo mga kachika, gumagawa ako ng puto kasi kagabi pa talaga yung mga bata nag-ask nito na magawa daw kami ng puto. Kaso yung puto ba na nabili ko online, ang itim naman ang mukha ko dito. Tapos, yun na, natapon ko na kasi yung box kasi kinip ko na lang yung, di ba yung isang box, dalawang pack nandoon. So yung isang pack, naluto na namin yung doon pa kami dati nakatira. Tapos yung isa, dinala ko nandito. So ito na nga, pinag-aas yung mga bata na magluto. So ngayon, nakalimutan ko na kung paano ba siya timplahan mga kachika ba. Nagtanta-chancha na lang talaga ako. Di ko alam kung matama ito ngayon ba. Kasi di ko nga alam. Tininan ko ulan, wala man din ako makita ba. Kasi nakatimpla na to, di ba? Meron ako ditong cloth. Ganito lang yung itsura, pero malinis mga kachika. Bago tong laba, anuhan ko lang siya kasi ganito yung itsura kasi nilagyan to ni binababad to ni Mr. ng bleach. So, ano natin siya. Pero tuyo na to, ganyan natin kasi wala akong ibang cloth eh. Malinis naman to mga kachika. Takpan natin ganyan. So, itry ko lang yan, no? Ko talaga alam kung maayos ko itong pagluluto ko ngayon ba. Hinihingi kasi talaga ito ng mga bata. Si Alisa, kagabi pa talaga. Kasi hindi na din namin natuloy kagabi pagluto kay sabi ni Mr. It's too late na to cook daw, to make something tonight. Kasi nga medyo late na din. Na naghihingi sila. Pero maaga pa yun ang hingi sa akin. Natanggalan lang talaga kasi na busy. What's up there, I think? That one up there.
This one?
You read it. Oh no! It's down there, babe.
This one?
Yeah, down there.
Down
In
there.
the cupboard.
Oh, here. Down right here.
Come on, go. What's down?
I'm gonna sprinkle some. Good job, you found sesame seeds. Sesame seeds.
Ito ba? Matagal na din itong naka-open, hindi pa maubos. Nakatago lang dyan. Kung maalala kung kailan ako last time na nagawa ng fried chicken ng mga bata ba. Siguro mga 1 buwan na yan din yata. So, magawa tayo. Kasi meron din kaming, matagal na dito sa freezer mga kachika. Kailangan na talaga itong lutuin. No fighting, please. Be careful, okay? It's get very hot, the water, huh? It get very hot.
So boy. Done. Whoa.
Wash your hands properly, Lisa. Lisa. I'm not cool for it. You're not washing your hands properly. Sa, wash it properly. Stand up. Doon na yung dalawang mga kachikaw. Kumakain ng fried chicken. Nagluto din kasi ako ng fried chicken. Kumain na din sila ng puto. Yeah. I'm here. Hello. Oh, take the water off. Yeah. What did you say to your daddy?
Thank you. Thank you, Daddy. Thank you, Daddy. I had this before.
I'm going to help
I
you.
remember. Thank you, Daddy.
Oh, you're welcome. You're welcome.
How about you, Lina?
I said thank. Oh yeah. Thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome. This is the garage. Garage.
My key is there.
Huh?
My key is there. I thought you went in there already.
Sorry?
I thought you went in there.
Where?
To the...
No, you know that shopping?
That's why I'm thinking, oh my God, what? Kain tayo mga kachika, nandito na naman tayo. Gumawa ako ng, kasi may natira pa ako na ano ba mga kachika ba? Yung cream, milk. Condensed milk mga kachika. Kailan ko pa ito? Matagal-tagal na itong condensed milk na ito. Diyan lang sa fridge, nakatago. Nakalimutan ko na kung ano yung ginawa ko. Na pinagamitan ko nito na hindi ko na maalala. Basta yung iba, ginamit ko na din doon sa buko na binili din ni Mr. So ngayon, may natira pa akong kaunti. Gumawa ko ng salad. Strawberry, blueberries, at saka apple and grapes. So pinantuyan ko lang kasi lang din to sa akin. At nilagyan ko lang din siya ng double cream.
Can you give me sellotape, please?
You start playing with sellotape again, no?
I want this one tip. Quick.
Use the old one, not the new one.
Where is it?
You know where your drawer is. Sobrang tamis. Ako ang dahil yung kumakain. Masarap. Umalis na naman pala si Mr. mga kasika kasi may kukunin yun siya. May titik atin. Na nagpagawa lang sa atin tablet ng tea. Nag-tea siya. Nagutom yata. Umalis na naman.
Punching.
Pantry?
Punching.
Pantry?
Done. Done.
Ah. Thank you. So then,
And then check. Now I'm gonna make a pack. With you. I'm gonna come with you. I'm coming.
Mr. Zebra the postman is delivering a letter to Peppa's house.
Oh look, someone's got a party invitation.
It must be funny. Doesn't it say George and Peppa?
No, just George.
I didn't want to go to a silly baby party anyway.
Hello? Oh, it's for you, Peppa. It's Emily Elephant.
Hello. Hello, Peppa. Do you want to come to Edmund's party as my friend? Oh, yes, please. Mummy wants us to help with the little ones. Help? Yes, I can help. Danny and Susie are helpers too. Oh, goody.
Everyone is here for Edmund Elephant's party.
Helpers are here. Let's get this party started. Who wants to play musical statues?
Yay! This is what you do. That's what music is, please. When it starts, free, I say that's a bell. It's a giant teddy.
Edmund has won.
Mummy, half the table is finished.
Lovely. Now it's time for food.
Oh, the helpers have taken all the seats.
This is Edmund's party in the left. The helpers can eat after the little ones.
Yes, we're the helpers. Juice, please. Cheese, please. Juice, please. Jelly, please. Jelly, jelly. More, please.
Happy birthday, Edmund.
End of the party.
Thank you to the helpers. You all worked really hard.
Yes, it's not easy looking after little children. I need to lie down. I need a holiday.
Iya, nabili pala yan ni Mr. mga kachik. Ano lang yan siya, yung second hand ba? Nabili niya ng 20 pounds kasi ilalagay namin yan doon sa may kitchen.
Mama,
So yung mga drawer niyan, pinagtatanggal na namin kaya ganyan yung itsura.
you go inside and then can I go in jail? Can I do it?
No. You're gonna stuck in that.
I want to go to jail. I want to go in the jail. Can I try? Yeah. Help! Help! I'm stuck in jail. My turn. I gotta try.
Okay.
I'm gonna try. Go here. Go here. Okay.
And then, yeah, I think. Sinisprayhan na namin to ng antibac mga kachika.
It's a banana. Hold it. Right, I'll tip it up and clean it.
No, just leave like that. I'll do it.
Alright, hold on. buttons. Oh, wait, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Huh? I don't know that.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
No.
Oh.
It'll be fine. Rich, tough. Very rich.
Yeah, I think it's like this. It's like 200 pounds
What?
for new.
This?
Mm.
Yeah.
Oh, I saw even smaller and donate or
200?
100 something, 200. Yeah.
This is solid wood.
Little more.
It goes with the white.
Mm.
It goes.
Yeah, I know what. Yeah. How long it took you to get the daddy?
Yeah. Need painting every straight line.
Yeah. Nagkailangan rin siya ng painting mga kapita. Pero maganda pa siya, mabigat.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Sabi ni Mr. na, ano,
Let me spray it.
ang nagtitinda daw nito ay mayaman ba?
Can I come in?
No, only
No.
wait, no. Getting it wet.
You just dashed me.
Yeah, well, don't come in. Yeah.
Yung nagtinda nito mga kachika ba?
Hi. I gonna come in? I'm hungry on apple.
Okay, go get apple.
I'll get it.
Go this way.
Okay, excuse me. Ooh, it's like this. That's like full.
Okay.
The base of it too.
Hmm.
You put all your plastic containers. You take the plastic containers out of here. Some of this stuff. No?
Yeah. Mm. Yeah.
And then not room for food.
Something we don't use much. Marami siyang paglalagyan. Yung iba kasi nito ay lalagyan namin siya sa mga anik-anik ni Mr. kasi nga nakapatong lang siya sa lamisa mga kachika.
So how much is one of these?
Wow.
This.
Expensive na rin.
No.
And look, like 200 pounds, maybe more. It depends how big it is. Mm.
This is solid wood.
Mas nabili lang namin to. Sa, doon nga, online pa, naghahanap kasi kami. Kagabi lang namin to nakita din. Tapos yun, pinick up
He
ni
didn't need the
Mr.
money, that's for sure.
Ha?
He didn't need the money.
That's why he accepted it, no?
No, I'm just saying he didn't need 25 bucks. He didn't need 30. He didn't need the money.
Yeah.
He's rich.
Mm.
A permanent tan. Permanent tan. Always at a tan. Well, holidays every year. He looks the type.
Oh, big house?
Yes.
Wow. Yeah, because I see the neighborhood on the
Big house.
I see the area